little girl. What does letting go look like when I was just 10? Chỉ cho lỗ hai lỗ lưu để lưu thâu có mô đua nước tu nhỏ hậu có đôi chia thâu cụ chỉ mua nụ thì đâu có mò mò lúc lỡ mò mò hậu cụ lưu chân na chiều kia thì nó chạy kia chỉ thốt nhau thế chỉ mò cụ lưu sẽ bỏ cho tao có chơi ôi sẽ cho ôi sẽ chỉ thốt nhau có cho thôi nhau đều gió kề ôi có tao sai sẽ nhưng mỗi nụ lòng đu yêu cha đâu có chỉ đua tới chia để cụ cho có để chỉ một phụ nữ chia. Every time I heard that song when I was a little girl, all I could think about was the Fresno Hmong New Year. Woo, I think we have one of the best Hmong New Year here in the country. Shout out to Khonshu Project. Nhỏ rong ý trong cơ tin đến chờ ý sống là cho nhỏ ý cha rong xia để đâu cho tôi xin chỉ một dòng mông ngon tròn để tha để buồn nào ta để buồn nhỏ rong cho nên để nu chơi là công ta kia là dạy để nhau ở kia hôm nay để cho mu chạy mu đỡ mu hù mu đỡ mu hù mu đỡ mu hù. This is one of the very first songs that I've ever listened to that really talked about what it means being Hmong and my own political identity. One second. No. No. Sorry guys, thank you for your patience. Whew, in the meantime, who's local? Who's from the 559? Woo! All right, where my Midwest people at? Woo! Okay, that's a pretty good amount of people. How about East Coast? Woo! I went to school in the East Coast, so much love, much love. How about the South? Woo! Respect, respect. Oh, what you know? It's okay. All right, y'all ready? Tiền anh nó bê yêu lo mong do vì đã chỉ bê ô thâu đã chỉ nó bê thiệt chỉ mua lưu tê theo lý lúa. Let's try that again, yeah? Chỉ bề ô thâu đã chỉ nó bề thiệt chỉ mua lưu tê chờ lý lúa giờ bề chỉ mua lưu tê chờ ý lý lúa lo cho bề giờ chỉ lưu. Sing it with me, everyone! Thank you, everyone. Alright, nói rằng ở châu trong lịch sử tổ này chuyện kinh nên sự hậu tổ cùng bế thế before the lunar show, okay? And thank you to everyone all the way in the back dealing with the shade, but just give it a couple more hours. Nah, give it one more hour, that sun will calm down. But this next song, you know, I'm born and raised in Fresno, California. And as I like to say, I went to Sunnyside High School, so Sunnyside! Woo! All right, and you know, I moved to the West. I moved to the East Coast for college, and it was a really hard journey. And they always led me back to Fresno. And now I moved to Minnesota, and you know, everywhere I go, everywhere I look, it's just not Fresno. It's just not home. Everywhere I go, it's just not my mom and dad. Everyone I see, it's just not that one first love. So I wrote this song to really showcase an experience and journey I was going through of homesickness and being away from home, from all the things that you'd ever known of. So this is to you, Fresno. This song is called St. Paul Chiyonka. was really fun. I'm gonna move this way. Okay. I just want to give a huge shout out to Yaya for bringing me out here. Thank you for all the amazing staff and volunteer team who dedicated so much of their time. You know, a lot of them really dedicate so much of their passion on what it means to be Hmong and bringing Hmong music artists out here, especially our own Hmong American artists come and showcase and tell their stories. Thank you and shout out much love for the band up here. Let's give a round of applause for the band. Woo! This next song was actually my last song. I wrote this song 2 years ago, and I'm a Hmong girl, you know. I'm always curious to want to learn more about who I am. I'm always trying to get smarter. I'm Hmong, but I don't know everything about being Hmong. This song was inspired and influenced by love. It was also influenced by what it means to learn Gutia when my mom gave me her book for the first time. It was also inspired by children's books. What it means to grow up now as an adult and see children's books that are about Hmong children. When I was a little girl, I didn't see that. You know, I was that girl where I went into history class and turned into Vietnam War. There's nothing about Hmong history. That turned into anger. But now, you know, I write a song like this to want to learn. I want to learn what does it mean to be Itùng Gao Mong Đơ and Tùng Gao Mong Chúa. What does it mean? And wherever you are, cô chỉnh tỏ có tế của ở trong Mong Chúa. So this is trong Mong Chúa. the middle, GA, we got your back. He got 2 shirts, he got 2 shirts. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much for all your love and support. I have many music to come. Thank you for trusting my process. Thank you for being here today again. You can choose to be anywhere, but y'all chose to be here today. So much love, so much amazing artists to come. Have a great time. Be safe.